Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here at S23. In this very short video today, I'm going to show you how you can turn off all the main sensors on your phone, like camera, like microphone, and just get your privacy back in these situations where you really need it. So it's going to be very easy. It's very easy to set up, guys, and I promise you, you most probably don't know about this because I didn't know either. See here, guys, I'm trying to turn on my camera and immediately I'm getting the message, yeah, security policy preventing. Doesn't really work. Same is with voice recording, so buckle up and let me show you how you can do this. Alright, it's time for me to demonstrate. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S23 regular phone, everything absolutely stock, guys. So let's say I decide to use my camera, boom! Security policy prevents use of the camera. So not only with camera, guys, let me show you something else. I am just going to go and try to initiate a voice recording with the voice recorder. Okay, so see, I, by the way, already tried it and worked. So hello? Hello? Is something being recorded? No, not really. Why? Well, guys, this is the very hidden and secret trick called sensor off. The moment I switch on my sensors, magically everything works. How do we know? Well, I see the recording, right? So I can play it apparently, I can record, I can see that I'm recording my voice, and it's gonna be same with the camera. So if I click here, boom, the camera is open. Now what happens if I go back, boom, kill all my sensors, everything will die. Okay, so now how can we be sure, guys? Let's do the following trick. I'm going to go here inside and record. So I'm gonna just lift this recording, and also I'm gonna open the camera. Everything works, so recording is paused. We know that it's paused. Back to the recorder. I'm now recording again, guys, and sensor off. Yep, everything dies, guys. And if I try to open the camera, security policy prevents use of the camera. Now, guys, how can you get this crazy toggle? And by the way, see all the other toggles that I get that are really crazy. For example, like this one here, this is called the HWUI rendering, which helps you test the GPU, and there are plenty of other stuff, but okay, this is gonna be shown in some other videos. Now, guys, it's very easy. What you need to do, guys, is just go inside your developer options, and if you don't know how to unlock them, it's very easy. I'm gonna show this. Developer options. Keep scrolling until you reach here something called Quick Settings Developer Tiles. From this setting, guys, you can enable the sensors off button. Let me just try to kill everything else, guys. I'm just now going to leave the sensor off, and boom, you have the sensor off button. The moment you turn it on, guys, all the camera, all the voice recording, everything is going to die. So when you are using it, you are now in complete control of your privacy. And if you don't know how to activate the developers options, guys, it's very easy. So what you need to do, you need to go to About Phone, then you need to enter inside the software information and click on the build number until you see developer mode turn on. And yep, then you can go inside the quick tiles options, just make the sensor button appear here, and you are going to be king of everything that you do. And I can demonstrate it, guys. This is really amazing. So let me just try to record a video. I'm gonna go here, start recording video, right? You can just see I'm doing it. The moment I go inside, guys, and I turn the sensors, boom, it absolutely stops. And this is the best way for you to be in control of your privacy with this very hidden and secret function. So if you like videos like this, guys, you might as well like the video, share with your friends, and yeah, don't forget to come back for more. VST over and bye.